Okay, so I went out and purchased a Toshiba Canvio Connect 500 gigabytes 3.0, 2.0 portable hard drive, basic portable hard drive from Walmart because it was the cheapest there. Case looks like this. It's glossy plastic, very easy to open, just pry up the edges around the top half. I needed the USB connector for this out of my laptop after I replaced this because it failed a little bit. Still kind of worked, but yeah. I just wanted to get the USB connector from this, see if I could get some backup data. But the USB connector on this Toshiba is built into the hard drive. So if that's what you're planning to do while buying this, because it's relatively cheap, don't, because it'll fail. I'm sure it's very fine. It's a 3.0 USB portable hard drive anyway, so it's, you know, still very useful. Gonna be easy to put back together. Just pop the case back together with this in there. But yeah, if this is your plan to salvage the device pieces, too bad. Yep. I don't know. Free portable hard drive that cost me $55. Sweet.